MTD CNC are at EMO 2019, and I have the pleasure to be with Gareth Jones. It's been nice bumping into you, Gareth. A lot has changed over the last few months. Can you tell me what's occurred?
Yes, so the Engineering Technology Group have purchased HK Technologies to add to the portfolio of machine tools, really complementary. So we've got the 3D additive side now, so we can do either metal printing, plastic printing, and many more materials. The other side, we've got the technology side, as you can see here today. We've got the Mitsubishi, and then you've got the other resellers, such as the OPS Ingersoll, which is high-speed milling, and also Sparky Rodin, but seriously high-end quality. So these machine tools keeping the quality status of the Engineering Technology Group.
Now, the Engineering Technology Group has already got a large portfolio of products. From a business strategy, how does this complement the rest of the range?
Well, if you imagine, the ETG are offering turnkey solutions, and to be able to offer these additional products into the non-conflicting in terms of the product range for ETG, then it's a bigger, wider solution, hopefully to give the best impact from a quality status to the end user and the end customer.
Well, I think when you mention quality, I don't think you can get a better name than Mitsubishi. No. They've been in the market for a very, very long time. What kind of market presence do you think they will have in the UK? What kind of numbers do you think you'll be looking at?
So globally, they sell 70,000 units per year on the EDM side. That's 1 in 3 of the overall global uptake on machine tools in terms of the EDM. In terms of the UK, we've got fluctuating between 10 and 11%. We're going to embark on a serious growth strategy now to get up to the 22% in the next 3 to 5 years, because the level of technology and the quality of this technology is absolutely superb for the marketplace. We just need to resource it effectively. And the other thing that sells this is the support from the OEM, Mitsubishi itself, and the level of service that we actually give to our customers is second to none. So throughout the piece, it's superb.
I think when you mention service, I mean second to none. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Mitsubishi are a complete OEM. They manufacture every single part on that machine. Is that correct?
Yeah, and that's absolutely vital for us. So if the service sector within the HK Technologies needs support on a particular part, it's literally instantaneous, which is superb. From an applications point of view, we've got the intellectual property in-house. We've got people that have been with the organisation 30 years. We've got people that have been with Mitsubishi for 30 years, 2 in particular. So there's no application that we can't deal with. The support from the OEM and internal intellectual property from ourselves at HK.
Gareth, thank you very much for your time. We're not going into the machines technically today, but I hope that we get the opportunity to look at them in a lot more detail at some time in the future.
Oh, 100%. You're going to be seeing a lot more of us from here at HK, and especially Mitsubishi EDM.